square root of x times square root of x times square root of x plus square root of x equal to 10. We have to find the value of x. Now let us consider square root of x is equal to m. In that case we have m times m times m plus m equal to 10, or m cube plus m minus 10 equal to 0, or m cube plus m and minus 10 we can write it as minus 8 minus 2 equal to 0. Now let's rearrange it. M cube minus 8 we can write it together, then plus m minus 2 we can write together equal to 0, or m cube minus 8 we can write it as 2 to the power 3 plus m minus 2 equal to 0. Now this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, and we can expand it as a minus b parenthesis a square plus ab plus b square. So we can write it as m minus 2 times m square plus 2m plus 2 square, then plus m minus 2 we can write it as 1 times m minus 2 equal to 0. Now m minus 2 here is the common factor, so we can write m minus 2, then remaining factors are m square plus 2m plus 2 square is 4 plus 1 equal to 0, or m minus 2 times m square plus 2m plus 4 plus 1 is 5 equal to 0. When a times b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So that means when m minus 2 is equal to 0, in that case m is equal to 2. When m square plus 2m plus 5 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, and we can find the solution for m here using the quadratic formula. Before that, let's check whether it has a real solution or not. If b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, that means we have a real solution, else we do not have a real solution. So b here is 2 minus 4, a here is coefficient of m square, so times 1, and c here is 5, so it is times 5. 4 minus 4 times 5 is 20, so this is equal to minus 16, and which is less than 0, that means no real solution. Now we have m is equal to 2, and we considered m is equal to square root of x, so that means square root of x equal to 2. To remove the square root, we square both the sides, remove the square root with this square, so x is equal to 2 square is 4. So only solution, real solution for x is 4. Let's verify this answer. Square root of 4 times square root of 4 times square root of 4 plus square root of 4, this should be equal to 10. Square root of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 plus square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So this is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 4. This is our solution. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.